Hi, I'm Anthony,
Hi, I'm Iris.
and welcome to our garden.
So I'm in my editing room and I'm going back through some of my old footage, and I wanted to talk to you guys about diseases. And I wanted to talk to you about the 7 top diseases that we face in Mississippi. Number 1, powdery mildew. These white powdery spots that cover your squash, cucumbers, and even peas in the heat. You can fix them with neem oil or a baking soda spray and keep the plants spaced out for airflow. Second, early blight. These are yellow spots with dark rings creep around the tomatoes or potato plants. Your solution is to rotate your crop, prune, mulch, and treat it with a copper spray and compost tea. I am very fortunate that we didn't have a lot of this disease this year, and I want to just say that it's probably because I put that shade cloth over it and covered everything up. So thank goodness for that. Third, blossom end rot. Dark, sunken spots form on tomatoes, peppers, and even squash, and this occurs when watering is uneven. Your solution is to keep your soil moist, add lime and calcium. You can do that with eggshell, or you can get a calcium supplement. And we've been very fortunate that when we treated our peppers earlier in the season with some calcium, magnesium, it fixed our blossom end rot problem. Fourth, rust. These are orange spots on your fig leaves, blackberry canes, or your bean plants. And this means trouble because it affects the leaves, and the leaves affects how your fruit ripens. Like, for example, on this fig tree here, the fruit won't ripen because the leaves are affected. These are your solar panels. This is how it gets the energy to the fruit. What it does is it affects the leaves fall off, leave just in the fruit. And that is not a good thing. Your fruit will never ripen that way. So remember to remove the leaves. You can spray it with some copper or some fruit tree spray, and that will slow it down. You just keep rotating between the copper 1 week and the fruit tree spray, and you will be able to get it under control. But this is it's gonna require you to do a lot of pruning and a lot of standing on top of those fruit trees, or finding a variety that doesn't get disease. Downy mildew is number 5. They are yellow little patches with gray fuzz that show up on your cucumbers, your melons, and your leafy greens after a heavy rain. The solution is water early in the day and treat it with neem oil or a copper fungicide. 6, mosaic virus. This is a molted, twisted leaves on the sweet potatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and they are spreaded by aphids. The solution is remove the infected plant and spray it with insecticide to control the pest. And finally, number 7, bacterial wilt. Cucumbers, squash, and melons wilt suddenly because of cucumber beetles spreading it. Remove the plant quickly and use roll covers and neem oil for prevention. So now we know the diseases, we know the crops they hit, and we know how to treat them organically. And it's actually very simple. And this will save your Mississippi garden season after season. Now, which disease have you been battling? Let's talk about it.